Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Bedia. I hope you people doing well, fit and fine and great. I am also doing well, fit and fine. So friends, in this video, I am going to talk with you to how to improve your English for some tricks to learn speaking English, an easy way to learn, easy way to improve your English. You can improve easily to learn English because if you are a beginner and if you are an intermediate level, don't worry. So how to improve your English through any three way to learn English. In this video I am share with you three tricks or tips to learn English with an easy way. So friends, first of all, what we to do to improve our English, because in our first time, how we can improve our English if you have not confidence in speaking English, because in speaking English there are so many people who want to learn English, who want to become a fluent speaker, but they terrified itself and they can't able to speak English in the front of anything because they almost scared, means that they feel very fear and feel very nervous. So how to improve your English and how to build up your confidence to speak in English, and if you want to use these three tricks, you use these three techniques to improve your English. You believe me, in under only for 15 days you see what is your improving and you feel more confidence. So let's start the video without any delay. So friends, first of all, what we do to improve our English, because we know that I am before in previous video I am also talked about these three ways. So this video I am going to talk with you some easy way to improve your English, because there are so many people who when we are going to speak in the front of anyone and anywhere, we are very fear and feel nervous anxiously. So how to improve? So friends, first one is to how to improve. First one is, if you want to improve English, you are listening carefully, because if you want to improve English, you want to more and more learn about speaking English and know many words and many word meanings to learn English. If you want to improve your English, you know the words, advanced words you want to learn. Okay, so that's why you able to improve your English easily, and after that listening you are able to something in your mind to speak, but you are not able to speak because your mind is not able to speak, because your heart is feel nervous when you speak, when you start speaking. Yes, I'm right. So how to remove your hesitation, because there are so many people who have a very hesitation while speaking English. They have a not environment. So friends, if you improve your English, if you want to build up your confidence, you want to become a for a beginner. So first you take a one mirror, and in the front of mirror say introduce yourself and talk to yourself, because there is no one to guess your guess your what guess your there is no one to judge your problems. There are no one to laughing at you. So friends, start speaking English in the front of camera. If you have a one phone in the, you can set and you start speaking in the front of camera and record your video and see what I am mistakes, what I do mistakes, so improving and start improving. And the third one is every day. I am previous video telling that every day try to read English. Every day you read, your speaking English is improved and you are able to speak English, because in your mind words are coming out. When you speak English, your the words are coming in your mind. So start speaking English and don't give up, and because don't be afraid to speak in English, because this is not a toughest, this English is not a toughest language. It easily you can learn this language. So every day try to learn English. And thanks for watching. So friends, I know that I made a lot of mistakes, because I don't know, and I don't judge in my grammar rules, because I made a lot of grammar rules, I mistakes, but I don't see. I don't know, but I'm trying to speak in English, because I am improving my English, improving my build up, my confidence, because in my first time I'm can't able to speak in English anything. So that's why now I am able to something to speak, because I am practicing. That's why I am now able to speak English. So don't give up. Every day try to speak in English. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.